Alright, good morning, people. Yeah, Friday, December the 23rd, 2022. 62 degrees in the garage. 1 degrees in the cat house. There's no heat in the cat house, but it's blocking the wind, so no wind's getting in there. I don't think any cats have been in there recently. Yeah, the heat's running, so I got a lot of noise in there from that heater. All right, let's get our backup power here. We got it all hooked up. Let's get this turned on. Okay, right there at that little button. Press and hold. Release. There we go. Now we got power. Yeah, you got a dead key.
Hey, thank you back there for the comment. Just getting everything warmed up this morning.
Alrighty. Yeah, it sounds like it needs it. All right. Let's see what we can do here. We gotta go put some food out. There we go. That's a good pocket, man. Yeah, look at that. It just hides it right in there. Yeah. It's got a brand name on it somewhere. I have no clue where it's at, but it's on there somewhere. It's not a Carhartt. Let me see if I can figure this out here. Okay. Alrighty. Got to put on the gloves. Okay. All right. Okay, we're back.
Very well. We're hitting the pump house, man. Pump her up. So, all right, God, have a good one down there. Happy Merry Merry. May it cross with many years, because it's getting rough and tough on Skip. Skip, we come here wall to wall. Have a good day. Take care. We're back out the way.
All right, BD, you take care, man. Have a good day. If I don't hear of you, don't see of you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff, man. 73s, we got to get out of here in the wind.
All right, man. I'll see you after. Just got my license.
Okay. All right, I tested this last night. It only do about 450 watts. That's a lot better than it was doing, and it cuts out. Yeah, I hooked it up to the booster. It's only one battery. It's not very big, but it's a lithium. It does work, so I'll set it up to run lights. When the power goes down, we'll have lights. All right, I don't know if I'm going to sweep, but why in the world does she keep locking it? Lock the doggone place up, man. All right, we're heading out. Ooh-wee. Oh boy, here we go. Stay in your houses, guys. It's too cold. -5 degrees. Wind chill factor about -37, 36, 37, something like that. So there ain't no cats out here. It's too doggone cold for a cat to be out here. Whether they're underneath the shed, I don't know. If there's no steps, there's no footprints, no tracks anywhere. So I hope those guys are okay. Jeez, unbelievable. All right, we got some food in there. Yep, the prophetess, Julie says, and God says to her, speak to the people. Strange weather coming. Strange weather. Yeah, this is Friday. Look for Saturday. Look at Sunday. Look at Monday. Look at Tuesday. The weather gradually goes up. Look at it. Keep looking at it. Keep going out day after day. 53 degrees. Oh my gosh. What in the world is going on? Well, some of us know. If you know, you know. Look at that, man. It's still working. It was still charging the batteries. Ain't that something? This panel was still charging the batteries. Look at that. It was lit up even before I started doing this. I'll look at the video later, but yeah, it was charging. So, ooh, it's slippery. Let's get these little guys here. Get these guys cleaned off too. Let's check. Look at the lights. You see the lights? You see the lights, man? There's snow on them. They're still charging. Yeah. I think they're called monocrystalline or monolithic monocrystalline or something like that. My tongue is getting cold. All right. Look, there it is. Gotta go back and get the food. I can't help them if it ain't open. Oh my goodness. We blocked it. So far, they haven't collapsed. They haven't taken off and run off. Hopefully, these guys are okay. It's just too cold out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ooh-wee. Hi baby. How you doing, sweetie? Oh yeah, I'm gonna clean off those. They're getting fogged up. There we go. Yeah, if you're worried about security in your garage, don't get a garage door with windows. Hey, that's where a Chevy HHR needs to be. Yeah, froze up. Yeah, the Jeep Commander will run. There you go, there you go. That's how to do it. Yeah. I'm ready to get it going. I hope I don't have to use it. That thing is hard on your back. It's really hard on your back. I wonder if you can put that stuff in your radiator, keep it from freezing. Oh my goodness. See? Panels are charging good. There's not enough though. I need about 300 more watts. I don't remember what those are. It ain't that much, but it does pretty good. Yeah. I don't remember how many watts this thing will allow. It handles up to 24 volts, I believe. I don't remember, but I know my panels, if you disconnect the wire right here, pull it off of this charge controller, there's about 22 volts coming in. Yeah, those are all just running in the simple setup of positive to positive, negative to negative. I'd have to look at the book again. If you get over 24 volts, I think you have to switch it up, series and parallel at 24 volt. You can have several 24 volt setups running in. Okay, guys. It's 0 degrees in the cat house now. Just take a peek over here and see what it is out. It's supposed to go down to 0.7. Or negative. So it's -5 still. All right, guys. I think we'll call this one. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do some work to pull this one together. But God bless you. Until next time, Grease Monkey Radio, we are signing out.